Hello everyone. Today we are going to see another task, that is execute process task in SSIS. So what is execute process task? The execute process task allows us to run an external executable, that is an exe or a batch file or a PowerShell script or command line utility from within an SSIS package. So from an SSIS package you can run another executable file. For example, you can run Go media player or VLC media player or a WinRAR application or even a Visual Studio application, that is an exe file. So the common uses are you can run a batch script to move or rename files, or you can execute a PowerShell script for automation. You can launch external application or processes or extract or compress files using third-party utilities. Why we use the execute process task in SSIS. It is for automating external process execution within ETL workflow. So integrate SSIS with other applications, or you can reduce the manual intervention and improves efficiency. For example, you can use the execute process task to expand a compressed text file. Then the package can be used, the text file, as a data source for the data flow in the package. So if a file is compressed, you can unzip using this execute process task, and you can use that unzipped file as a data source for data processing or ETL. So in this example video, we are going to execute a simple package, that is that we are going to execute a Google Chrome application. So Google Chrome application will be installed in the program files in the root directory. So for starting the project, you can go to the file menu, new project, and you can start the integration service project. You can give the desired name and you can give the desired location. You can create the project. Here we are going to just open a Google Chrome application. That means Google Chrome browser is going to open after we run this package. So we will take this execute process task and you can rename it as open Google Chrome, and you can double click it for the editor. And here in the general tab, nothing is there, only the name. You can change the name if you want. And second one is process. And in the process, you have the second one, executable. And here you can browse and select the executable file if you want. So in the program files, you will have Google directory. Inside the Google directory, we will be having the Chrome directory. And inside Chrome, there will be application. And in that application, you can select the type here, and you can select the application. The type should be application, because exe files, they will consider it as application files. And you can just select this Chrome browser. That icon itself is a Chrome browser icon, and you can open it, and that's it. And you can select OK. And now we are set to execute the package. You can right click and execute the package. And as soon as you execute the package, you can see, isn't it? Suddenly the Chrome browser got opened. And if you see the package, that package is still running. Once you close this Chrome browser, the package will get executed fully. See, now it got executed fully. So this is one simple example to open an external exe file using SSIS. As we have mentioned, the main importance of it is that you can unzip the data source file using the execute process task, and you can use that data source file in the data flow task to do the ETL process. Hope this was a valuable one. Have a nice day.